Are you struggling with high uric acid levels? This is a common battle faced by many, and it's one that can lead to a host of health issues. High uric acid levels in the body can cause painful gout, kidney stones, and even kidney failure. It's a silent enemy, often going undetected until it's too late. The importance of maintaining healthy uric acid levels cannot be overstated. It's not just about avoiding discomfort or pain. It's about preserving your overall health. Your kidneys, your joints, your heart, they all depend on it. And guess what? The food you eat plays a crucial role in this battle. Your diet can either be your ally or your adversary in the fight against high uric acid. It can either contribute to the problem or help you control it. But what if you could help control your uric acid levels with superfoods? Interested? Let's dive in. First on our list we have cherries. These delightful little fruits pack a punch when it comes to combating high uric acid. Cherries are brimming with antioxidants, those wonderful compounds that help fend off cell damage. But that's not all. They also have a knack for reducing inflammation and uric acid levels in the body. It's like they're tailored to keep your uric acid in check, so consider adding a handful of cherries to your diet. Next up, we have the humble celery. Often overlooked, this green vegetable packs a punch when it comes to reducing uric acid levels. Known for its high water content and low calorie count, it's also a natural diuretic, which helps flush out uric acid from the body. But the benefits don't stop there. For centuries, celery seeds have been used as a remedy for gout and arthritis due to their anti-inflammatory properties. So why wait? Incorporate celery into your meals for a uric acid fighting boost. Next on our list is a kitchen staple, apple cider vinegar. This golden liquid doesn't just make your salads taste better, it's also a potent ally in the fight against high uric acid. How? Well, apple cider vinegar aids digestion, ensuring a smoother and more efficient breakdown of food. This process helps to dissolve uric acid, reducing its levels in the body. Plus, it promotes an overall balance in your bodily functions. Remember, a spoonful of apple cider vinegar a day could keep high uric acid at bay. Last but not least, we have olive oil. This golden liquid is more than just a kitchen staple. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which unlike some other fats remain stable even when heated. This stability prevents the overproduction of uric acid, a key factor in gout and other health issues. By simply swapping out your regular cooking oil for olive oil, you're taking a significant step toward managing your uric acid levels. Choose olive oil for cooking and dressings to help keep your uric acid levels in check. In conclusion, managing uric acid levels doesn't have to be a struggle. We've explored some fantastic superfoods that can help you in this journey. Cherries, for instance, are packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and uric acid levels. Then we have celery, a humble vegetable with a high water content that helps in flushing out excess uric acid from your body. Apple cider vinegar, with its acetic acid content, aids in breaking down and removing uric acid from the body. Last but not least, we discussed olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps in reducing the production of uric acid. These superfoods are not just delicious, but also have incredible properties that can help you manage uric acid levels effectively. Incorporate them into your meals and experience the difference. Remember, a healthy diet is your first line of defense against high uric acid. So embrace these superfoods and take a step towards a healthier you.